This might just be the best phone you're not buying. Better low-light video than the iPhone, a stunning 3000 nit display, triple 50 megapixel cameras, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, cool AI features, and 90-watt fast charging. This is the brand new Xiaomi 14. First, let's start with unboxing. Xiaomi 14 comes with pretty much everything you need, including the charger, which is quite a rarity these days. Xiaomi offers smartphones in various colors, and the green variant stands out with its distinctive design. The phone resembles a mirror, exhibiting high reflectivity that captures different surroundings, resulting in unique visual effects. For those inclined towards a matte finish, the black model is a suitable choice. Despite its reflective nature, this variant handles fingerprints more effectively compared to other glossy phones. The in-hand feel is extremely premium thanks to this boxy design. Now it's also very comfortable to hold in one hand, perhaps the most comfortable phone that you will have used in a while. Because it's only a 6.3-inch OLED screen with 3000 nits of peak brightness, this screen size is easily the best, most optimal for the one-handed experience despite the small form factor. Xiaomi didn't hold back when it comes to the battery size. We have a 4600 mAh battery cell inside the phone, which has honestly got me through the day, even when you were using the camera heavily during any trip days. And thanks to 90-watt wire charging, the phone can get from 0 to 100% in just 31 minutes. Xiaomi never compromises when it comes to performance. We have Snapdragon 8 3 running the show clocked at 3.3 GHz with 12 GB of RAM. It's easily the best chip on a phone right now with great performance, especially for gaming. Now we all know that just having the best chip is not enough. We need proper optimization, and well, Xiaomi's Hyper OS based on Android 14 has some of the smoothest animations I've ever seen on a phone. Additionally, you can swipe on the right side of the home screen for quick toggles access, while on the left-hand side, it brings up the notification panel. Xiaomi 14 has brought significant improvements in the camera department, especially in video capabilities. Xiaomi 14 can shoot videos up to 4K 60 FPS in Dolby Vision mode, which means amazing colors and great ASD performance. The colors are great, exposure is well managed with plenty of details. One of the standout features of the video performance is the inclusion of a special built-in night video mode, which delivers surprisingly impressive results when compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The phone also shoots 4K video up to 60 FPS with the front camera a very stable frame rate and great overall detail. When it comes to photos, as expected for any 2024 flagship, the images will come out great in almost all scenarios. These cameras are tuned by Leica, so you have two more to choose from. Leica's authentic color science is preferred for maintaining the natural color appearance within the scene. So all in all, Xiaomi 14 has to be one of the best, if not the best compact phone you can buy in 2024 with a great set of cameras that can shoot incredible videos, especially in low light, as well as great performance and optimized software experience and great battery life, especially in the small form factor. Let me know what you think in the comments section below regarding the Xiaomi 14, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys. confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.